Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Oppo device to Blackview A200 Pro. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices to get free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then click on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of Oppo. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Blackview. Also on Oppo, using all of those categories available at the top, select multiple files to transfer. I will go with only a couple just for example. After you finish, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and hit Receive. To scan the QR code instead, use scanning icon above User Guide. Close a node. Allow camera access in the pop-up and then just point it at the code. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!